I'm eating a Skittle. Look. So, if you just randomly clicked this video and you want more videos like this, hope I didn't turn on the captions on this. Actually, hope I did. What are you gonna do? So videos like this. Oh, first when this is the second video, I don't know. Okay. Well, I do know. Okay. So what the? How are you supposed to take screenshots on this thing? Oh, great. I hope it's saved. So, I don't feel like it is. Well, no. So, Control S. This button right here. Look, the Control I'll turn it into a hand. What? It's not safe. Press it, brings you to the channel, and turns on this video. I don't know it does that. Also, on console, you can't really do that. There's a channel button. Oh, this is the console that you buy now. Oh. You could also do this computer trick on mobile, I think. So, console, you have to scroll down until you see a channel icon. Then you scroll to that, and then I don't know how you click it. Well, you press X and it clicks it. It presses it, and then it brings you to the channel. Destination TNT destination. What? Oh yeah, I think I remember that. I was like, TNT, please. So I was just thinking today, what should we even make? Yeah, you may watch this. Wait, you can watch it by your own now. Sorry. Bye. Nothing. No. There we go. I'm not gonna dab, I promise. I'm not gonna dab today. And I promise. Yeah. Yeah, promise. Yeah. Oh no, my face cam is way too big. Oh yeah, right. It's still Why is it even doing that? What? There we go. Meow, 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 meow. No, my Skittles. Why? Wait, dude, I'm making a video. I hope no one comes because I'm making a video. And, well, you already know that because I am making a video. Because I am making a video! Okay? So I'm making a video. I'm flossing a video. I'm making a video. Yes! Oh no, not again. So, oh no, this one. My camera got blocked again by something glowing. The police is here. The police is here. This is me. No, it's not. No, it is. Yes, this is me. Definitely. I'm literally just looking at my face cam to see what's going on even. Don't. No, I need to flush. Flush. There. I'm after swell quickly. Oh, now I know how this got broken. I've had this broken Hot Wheel car for like years now. I think I know how it broke. There used to actually be a button there. That was the arrow. So then, I think I pushed it way too hard and it got pushed in. Because you might not see this, but you actually see, by the way, the button was gray. So you might actually see that gray button just tilted down there. It's so weird. It's just tilting down. By the way, I got a new one to replace it. They're exactly the same. This one says 67, 66. Yeah, they're all the same except the colors and the wheels. I like this one's colors more, but this one's wheels more. Look at these wheels. They're like kind of rounded. These ones aren't that rounded. See? Whoops. Dun 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 dun. I could hide something behind that, by the way. Just so dude is gonna get. Well, that's useless. Your browser is full of junk. No one cares about it. Well, at least I don't. The Google Chrome. Yeah. Where is it? Where is it? 10 hour. 10 hour. Great. 10 hour press. No, no, no. It's not even a video, actually. 1 hour. I said 10 hour. I said 10 hour. That's finger dash. No. This is the only 10 hour one I could find, but it's finger dash. Whatever. Wait, this is the geometry dash one. I guess 1 hour is okay. Wait, but geometry dash doesn't even have the full one. They never do, actually. The answer is F equals 6. Why? There is no answer to all these first questions. Why is it so loud? I still don't know. There we go. No intro. At least. My no intro. No, it's not. No. No, it is. I know what this is. It's this. Ah! There's something. I don't think I'm going to be able to turn off my video without getting onto it. There was something in my closet. I hope you heard it. It could have been well, it could have been the bathroom. I mean, the bathroom is right next to my closet in this house. It's pretty weird, but yeah, this is the worst room for a child, that means, because man, that sink is like in there. Hey, Penguin Dad, are you doing anything? No? Whatever. What are two faces? Now I'm made of my shirt. And creepy. And one's looking right at my... One looks like a snake. And he's looking right at my skittle. And it looks like a rattle, ancient rock or something. Well, it's not. Of course, it's not. Now I'm supposed to end this video. I can't swallow this Skittle. Should I? No, that's just my hand. Who's outside? Get them. And why does it look like morning? It is literally, well, this is what my clock sees at least. My clock sees that it is literally 2:17 p.m. or a.m. I think p.m. Yeah, p.m. Little cat. I'm not sure. I'm really shivering right now. Come on, you have to see that shivering. It's pouring! I've been touched from those ones. Or it's a baby and then next room playing. Or it's bathroom sink. So I left it not entirely on. Bye! Make sure you comment down below what the problem is definitely. Bye, Dada. Woo! Okay, sorry.